Hi friends, welcome to our fun science time. Today, we're going to play a cool game called Sink or Float. We'll drop things in water to see what happens. Are you ready? Let's go! When something goes down to the bottom, we say it sinks. See, this rock sinks. When something stays at the top, it floats. This ball floats. But why? Let's find out with a fun experiment. Here are some things we'll test. Before we drop them in, can you guess? Say sink or float with me. Do you think an apple will sink or float? Wow, it floats. Apples are full of air inside. What about this spoon? Sploosh. It sinks. It's heavy and made of metal. Sponge time. It floats. But what happens when it gets soaked with water? Let's try again. Oh, now it's heavier. It sinks. Even though it's small, it's solid and heavy. Of course it floats. It's a bath toy. Ducks always float. This leaf floats gently like a boat on a river. Down it goes. It's metal and heavy for its size. Floating like a bubble, air keeps it light. So why do things sink or float? When things are heavy for their size, they sink. That's called density. When things are light for their size or have air inside, they float. Now it's your turn. Try fruits, toys, sponges, and paper, but never put anything sharp or electronic in water. Thanks for being awesome scientists with me today. Keep exploring, keep asking questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun science videos. Bye for now.